Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you can see, today I have my beat up pair of Jordan 4 alternate 89s. Today we will be reviewing the Crep Cleaner. This set was not really a set, but this 2-pack I got at Foot Locker. This one was $18, and these are the cleaning wipes. $10. I'm gonna open this one. I have not opened them. As you can see, posted it just has several rolls of wipes. These are gonna come in handy. I actually bought these because I will be traveling to Vegas, and hopefully you guys will be seeing some footage on that. And I want to carry this in my luggage so I can always have them on deck. And then this is the Crep Cure Pack. It comes in a pretty nice packaging. As you can see, it's labeled Crep there. Unzips, and it's got a microfiber Crep towel, and it's got your ultimate sneaker cleaner here, and it's got your Crep brush. I will be reviewing, this is not the only brand I will be reviewing, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on anything. This is not paid or anything. I did buy this with my own money, so I'm going to give you my honest opinion. If you want me to try any brands out there, I'll be more than glad to go ahead and get them and try them out for you. I'm actually going to be showing you guys a little secret. Where I'm from, we're pretty close to the border, and my family actually brought a detergent from Mexico, and I'm going to show you how it works magic on these crusty laces right here. And as you can see, I'm going to show you one shoe. This shoe is beat. It's dirty. I'm only going to clean the right one, and then I'm going to show you the laces, and then we're going to compare both. And then here in this tub to the right of me, I have my water, and the directions, it says put warm water with some of the ultimate sneaker cleaner, and then brush the sneakers. Pretty much that simple. Right here in the front, I do have my terrible towel, and this is gonna be pretty much to alleviate me from making a bigger mess. Like I said, this one already does have a clean towel, so what I'm thinking, I'm gonna run it through once, and when I have to wipe it down, I will be wiping it down with this one. So I'm gonna start off by taking off the laces, because we do the laces separately, and this becomes an advantage just because you can lace up your shoe however that you want. It's people with skinnier feet, well, you guys can lace them up super tight, and the big foot guys, or the more chunky feet like myself, lacing them up, relacing them up from the factory really comes in handy, because you can pretty much put your own amount of pressure on the shoe. And I know there's multiple people out there that have accounts will teach you how to lace, like different creative ways to lace. I like keeping my lacing traditional, just because I'm a pretty traditional guy. So I'm almost done here. And like I said, I'm gonna run the laces by themselves, and I'm gonna teach you guys what it is, the product, and how it leaves them. So now that we have the laces, we're gonna leave those separate. And as you see, this is a naked shoe. On this one, if you're noticing a difference, is because I was wearing these the other day, and the tab that says alternate 89 already ripped off. It's a pretty beat up shoe, an old shoe, so it makes sense. So I'm gonna put the shoe like this, get some of the cleaner. Like I said, warm water, spray some. This actually smells good, smells like bubble gum. And then get your brush. I'm gonna cover this before I make a mess. And gonna go at it. This Jordan 4 pretty much is leather and all around, so I don't have any issue with just going at it. Always get the tongue, get the details that maybe not everyone's gonna pay attention to, but you know you're took care of them. Like I said, this soap actually smells real good, and it actually foams up well. So obviously this shoe is gonna have some stains that they're not taking off. They're never gonna take out. Probably gonna have to paint over it, but it does have some stains. Like it did have some stains here, and they're already working. Thing with me, every time I've cleaned sneakers, and this goes out to all the people that I have cleaned sneakers before, and a thing I always like to do, and I'm gonna pass use the Crep microfiber, and the leather already looks whiter, and so that's good. Like I said, it's gonna have multiple stains. Like here, this is where I noticed the big difference. Right here in the end, it took off most of the, actually pretty much everything. I still see some stains here, so I'm gonna retouch it up, like right here. And that's the best part about having the water here, that you're always gonna continue having the solution handy. Again, just put a little bit more pressure this time around. Wipe it off, and it's a lot better than what it was, and it actually took off everything. This one I need to retouch here, so again, a little bit more pressure, just so it can look. Obviously, the midsole looks oxidated already, but at least it doesn't look black. And like I was saying before I interrupted myself, that I like to take care and actually clean the sole, because if you think about it, when you walk, people obviously look at your shoe from this, but when you walk, right, you lift up, and to me it's like, if you have this real dirty and your shoe on top clean, like people are gonna know that you clean your shoe, but you didn't clean it fully. Personal thing, you don't have to, but we already have the solution here, and we're just gonna go at it. Here it has like dirt that I'm gonna put a nail to it, and actually took off. But like I don't expect the soles to come out super duper white. Like it's just, I want to take off all the excess dirt that it has accumulated, and based off rinsing the water, I can already see that it's working. Like here, I mean, you could put like a knife or something, but honestly, like if you don't mind getting dirty, just put your nail to it, and pretty much came off completely. I'm gonna continue scrubbing this. On the sole, you can put as much pressure as you would like, because, well, I mean, it's not like you're gonna damage the suit. So here I am. As you can see, it has quite a bit of star loss already. Heel drag. Honestly, I can't get over how good this thing smells. Like, this is it. I'm gonna run it one more time, but the whole upper and the midsole, just because of any maybe excess dirt that fell from the sole. But as you can see, this sole right here is a lot cleaner, and we're gonna go side by side, and then actually you can tell the difference right away. The one on the left hasn't been cleaned at all, and this one has. Again, it still has that stain, but really don't mind it. Most of it is gone. So once again, I am going to just give it a quick gentle brushing. Actually, this brush fits nice in the hand. Has these like grooves and like you can grip it nicely so you don't have it flying anywhere. Again, pass it with the microfiber that they provide for you. And then, bam. So we're gonna start off with the toe. And as you can see, the one on the right is brighter, side by side. Where it's most noticeable is right here in the back. As you can see, the one on the left has all these black stains and the one on the right doesn't. This solution honestly worked very well. I am pretty surprised for the price that you pay for, because honestly, like, if you pay for something cheap, you usually get cheap product. But I am surprised. I actually like it. The smell, I love the smell. Like, that was a giver that I knew I was gonna like it. It's foamy. I don't know why. If you saw my car wash video, I like soap that foams up because it mentally I feel like I can see it actually taking off the dirt. So yeah, I give this product honestly I want to say an 8.5, and 9, 8.5, 9. The reason why, not the full 10, obviously because of the pricing, but this bottle, like, I feel like they could have gone a little bit bigger. Well, yeah, like, that's pretty much the downfall. And actually, I'm gonna get the other shoe and I'm gonna clean it with the wipes so that you can see both in one. So I'm gonna let this shoe dry and I'm gonna hop onto the left one. And like I showed you guys earlier, this one has the Crep wipes. I'm just gonna pull out one. They do not smell. I expected the same smell, and they do not smell. It smells like just cleaning supplies. On one side it's like rigid, and on this side it is like soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the rigid side, and then I am going to pretty much hit it with the soft side. So again, this one I feel like I have to put more pressure just because I have no brush. So obviously these aren't meant to always clean your shoe. These are more meant to like have on the go. So like for my instance, that I'm gonna be traveling, I'm gonna have this on my carry-on in case like someone happens to step on my sneakers, or I mean, I eat a lot and I eat a lot of messy stuff. So if I drop something, at least I can be out of town and some decently clean shoes. As I'm going around, it's picking up quite a bit, and you can actually see where the dirt, like, it's coming onto the wipey. And here is the toughest part, because I don't know how my toe caps are always super dirty. Let me hit it with the soft side, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So here's the end result. Again, I don't like pretty much how it took off pretty much everything from the back, and it is cleaner. But again, don't always use these type of wipies, because these are more for like on the go. And I give these wipies, I want to say like a 7, just because of the smell. Like, it leaves you smelling like cleaning supplies. So right now I'm gonna go get the other product for the shoelaces, and I'm gonna show you the technique, and we're gonna compare them to this one. Alright guys, like I was telling you guys, I will be showing you the secret. This is Viva Quitamanchas Total. Translates to Viva, I don't know the translation, but it says like stain remover, a total stain remover. It is, like I said, powdered soap. So I have my water here. I have my super dirty shoelaces. Preferably warm water because it just works better. So you're just gonna put it in there, and then I opened it very bad, so I'm just gonna put some. That's probably more than good enough. Again, I'm gonna show you guys the method, and then I'll put in the other ones after. But I just want to show you the first one, and pretty much you're just gonna mix it. And if you washed anything by hand, well, you know that you have to be like rubbing it against each other. But this water is gonna turn pretty black real quick because it, like I said, it works magic. I cleaned my Jordan 4 Fire Reds, my shoelaces, and again these have white laces as well, and man, it was like brand new laces. It was beautiful. And then you're just gonna give it a quick like scrub it against each other, scrub it with your fingers, and yeah, it takes a little bit of TLC, but like super worth it. And then honestly, in my other pair I did not rinse them because like I wanted the soapy smell to stay. So we're just gonna throw them here. Use the Crep microfiber, clean yourself off. Kind of dry these. I will put them to air dry before I lace up the shoe. So, but I'm gonna somehow, there you go. Right here. The comparison between laces. These are the chocolatey white that was on the shoe, and these are the crystal white that are now gonna be on the shoe because of this magic. I call it magic because it works so well. And even if you like right here, I see a little bit of black, you can always just throw them back in. Like, that's the best part of having like this stuff. And like I said, this probably any like powdered soap will help you. Probably some Oxy, but like I said, this one, if you get your hands on it, and I'm pretty sure it works well with like clothes and stuff. So this is the shoelace comparison, and well, as you saw, you got the Crep cleaner, Crep cleaner, the Viva cleaner. Both worked really well. These shoes, I wouldn't say they were brought back to life, but they're a lot more wearable now. Now, if you guys would like me to paint the sole or maybe customize this shoe, being that it's already beat up, let me know down in the comments. I can go ahead and get myself a Angelus pack and we can customize these together. So just let me know. Again, guys, thank you for watching. If you like the content, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I try my best to answer to everyone down below. Follow my social medias, which are also going to be linked, which is my Instagram, RV714, and my TikTok, RR714. Now again, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.